Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. It's had a down and up a trading day, trading more toward the higher levels right now. Let's take a look at what that has done from a technical perspective in this currency pair. So let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart here, and we have a swing area through here with a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back to this period in mid-August. We moved to the downside, reaching our low price toward the end of August, and since had a move to the upside with fits of moving lower on Friday. In particular, last week the price initially moved lower off of the U.S. CPI or the U.S. jobs data, and then rotated back to the upside rather quickly. We also had Canadian job data, which showed weakness. Remember, the unemployment rate moved to 6.6% from 6.4%. That was the highest level if you take out the 2021 COVID period since the highest level since 2017. What I liked technically from that move to the upside was what happened on Monday's trade, where the price came down to the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, found support buyers, and we moved higher trading yesterday into this swing area, and trading here today in the Asian session, we moved to the high of that swing area, rotated back to the downside. We did fall back below the 200-day moving average after breaking above it yesterday, but then rotated back to the upside. So the buyers are still trying to stretch higher here. The next key target comes against the 38.2% retracement of that trend move to the downside. This long prolonged corrective move, 136.33 is where that level comes in. If the price is going to show, or if the buyers are going to show some strength, they need to get above that level. They also need to get above things like the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart and the 100-day moving average as well. Those are these levels along the way to the upside here. But first things first, got to get above the high of this swing area at 1.36188 and stay above that level. On the downside, you wouldn't want to see the price move back below the 200-day moving average. That would be a no-no. That would take some of the wind out of the sails of the buyer. So watch that level and maybe the low of this swing area down to 1.3597, right around the 1.36 natural support level. So be aware of that level in the short term today as well. So there you have it, a look at the dollar versus Canada from a technical perspective. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.